Hi there, welcome to Huson DIY. It's the 1st of December and we've got an advent calendar from the Brew company. Okay, so welcome to Huson DIY. If you've not seen the previous video we did on coffee, I went through a couple of new things I've got to making coffee. So we got a new French press and a coffee grinder. And I mentioned in that video around trying out new coffees. And the perfect way to do it, I'm hoping, is with one of these. So this is from the Brew company. So this is sent to us by the Brew company. It's a coffee bean advent calendar, basically. So you've got 25 different types of coffees in this one box, one for each day up until Christmas Day. So on the channel, every day I'll be doing a review of each coffee from each day that's in this Brew company advent calendar. So we'll be grinding it up, giving it a taste and kind of giving it a little bit of a rating. So this first video, obviously the 1st of December, I'll open up this box, we'll see what the first one is, and we'll get tasting basically. We'll get it ground up in the grinder and we'll have a nice coffee. So let's get this open for the first time. So there's a line at the bottom here that says pull to open. So we're just going to simply open this. And there's a coffee at the bottom. I'll get the very first bottom one, which is Ethiopia. Okay, so the first one we've got from the Brew company is Ethiopia. On the side of the box here, there is a dot where all these coffee beans are from. So you can see the kind of spread all across the world there. So yeah, India, Papua New Guinea, Mexico, Dominican Republic, Zambia, all kinds of places. So first one being Ethiopia. So these little bags are 66 gram bags. So they're good enough probably just to do just under 1 full litre of coffee. And that'll grind one grind in the coffee grinder. It came with this booklet as well, which is basically a guide through a menu card through all the different 25 coffees. So it goes into more detail in here. And I've actually got the wrong one. So December the 1st should have been Honduras. December the 2nd is Ethiopia. So is that one? No. Oh, there is. Honduras. I jumped to the 2nd of December by accident. So Honduras is the coffee from today. So Honduras is 3 out of 5. So on the scale is 3 out of 5 for strength. A little bit of information in the booklet. It's from the region of Capucas. And it tells you the farm it comes from, which is brilliant about what drew me to the Brew company in terms of obviously the detail they go into, the level of information they give you about where it's from. It's got taste notes of milk chocolate, elderflower, peach and honey, and a medium acidity. So yeah, there's a little bit of information in here about the actual farm and the region itself. So yeah. Some great information in the book. So we'll get the bag open, we'll get grinding and get brewing. Okay, so here we are. We've got the beans. We're going to now grind these up, ready to brew. So as I mentioned before, they're all 66 gram bags. So it's kind of perfect for just under a full litre. This takes a litre with 70 grams of coffee beans. So I think that should just be fine just for underneath. So it's great that they come individually wrapped. Let's have a smell first of all of the beans. Woo, yes. Oh, almost smell chocolatey. The beans, they are nice. So I'll put these into the grinder, sorry. So nice, potentially reusable bag there. So again, the grinder and the coffee press, I'll put some links into the original one I did. I'll put a link to this grinder and this coffee press as well, if you're interested. So we'll grind this for about 8 seconds-ish, I think. Well, maybe 6 to 8. We'll have a look. Okay, I'm just going to go 2 more seconds. 1, 2. Okay, happy with that. Looking good. They smell fantastic. It smells like chocolate. It smells lovely. I've pre-boiled the kettle, so I'll pour these in. I'll just boil the kettle again, and we'll pour the water straight in. Okay, we are clean. Let's give that a bit of a brush. Ready to go. So beans are in there. I'll put some water in. We'll pour that in now. I'll just reboil that kettle. We'll leave it for 3-4 minutes, just for the beans, the grinded up beans, just to agitate with the water. Not sure if that's the right word, but it sounded good. Okay, special stirring spoon from my Nespresso set. So we'll give that a bit of a stir around. As I say, the water is just under a litre, hopefully. So it should just be just enough. So we'll give that a stir, and then we'll let this rest 3 or 4 minutes, come back and give it a taste. Okay, so we're 4 minutes in. We have let the coffee ground agitate with the water. Again, I'm sure that's not the right word. Someone let me know if you're watching it in the comment section, it'd be much appreciated. So it's French press has got a button on here. It's currently closed with the button up. I press down to open that up, which then lets the air out as I'm pressing this down. So I'm going to push this down now to a sensible point, and then we can give it a go. I've got my new glass mug from IKEA. It's a bit bigger than the other ones I had, so you can get more coffee in, obviously. And I'm pretty sure you need a glass cup to taste coffee properly. I'm not so sure on that one either, though. So let's get this pressed down. I'm going to stand up for this so I can put some pressure on it. No, I'm not. So as I mentioned before, this is the no, it's not. It's the Honduras coffee bean, not the Ethiopia one, which is tomorrow on the 2nd of December. So I think we're down as far as we can go there. We are indeed. So let's give this a pour and see what it's like. It's not a strong smell. I'm worried now I put too much water in. I don't think I did though. It wasn't. It was kind of like an inch down from the top of the level, so 66 grams. Yeah. It smells nice. It's not that strong of a smell now. It's been brewed. It's quite a light coffee. Again, I don't know if I put too much water in. We'll let that cool down. We'll come back in a moment when I can actually drink that when it's cool enough. Okay, we are. It's cooled down now after a couple of minutes. Obviously, burning my lips before, so let's give it a taste. Okay, that's nice. It's nice. Let me just taste what it says. Taste those: milk chocolate, elderflower, peach and honey. I'm definitely getting that kind of chocolatey taste. Could definitely smell the chocolate in the beans. I'm definitely getting that chocolate taste. It's nice though. Yeah, it is nice. This Honduran coffee is crisp and well-rounded with a hint of acidity and lingering sweetness. I'm getting that sweetness in my mouth, definitely. Not too sweet though, but there's definitely a sweetness after, like an aftertaste of sweetness. But definitely getting that bit of chocolatey type kind of from that same smell. So yeah, an interesting coffee. Whether I'd have it as my daily coffee, I don't know, but I'd definitely have it as a choice. Yeah, nice. So yeah, I'll have a few more cups and see what we think overall. So there, we're all done. December the 1st, all done. Day 1 of the 25-day advent calendar, coffee advent calendar from the Brew company. So far, so good with the Honduras one. Me personally, I think I need something a bit stronger. Obviously, this I think was 3 on the intensity scale, so the roasted, medium roast. It looks like a lot of them are medium actually. Medium, dark, medium. Yeah, there's a few dark, medium, dark dot through this, so it gives you a good range. But so far, so good. I like the idea of the menu card. That's great. So it gives you a lot more information about the coffee itself, and obviously you can find more on the website for the Brew company. But yeah, in terms of how it's laid out, gives you the information you need. Really good. And what the thing for me and the kind of idea of this series is for me to try different coffees using my new coffee press. and the coffee grinder. But also if you're looking at coffees or the brew company, maybe just to give you an idea of what you get. So there will be a link in the description below for discount on the brew company website. I'll put information below exactly what that is and the address below in the description. So hit that link if you want to get a discount on the brew company website. You can obviously get the calendar, but we're into December now, so you might not want to. But there's tons and tons of different coffee choices on there, depending on what you prefer, your preference, dark, mediums, etc, etc. So yeah, so far so good. Nice little touch for a coffee lover with the advent calendar. So yeah, as I say, hit that link in the description to get the discount on the website. Okay, all done now on this video. Hopefully you've enjoyed it. It's been informative, at least, hopefully. If you have enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, give it a like. If not for any reason, give it a thumbs down, give it a dislike. But do let me know in the comment section why you disliked it. Any questions about our coffee press, the grinder, the advent calendar, the coffees, today's coffee of the Honduras, or anything else I've not covered, please drop it in the comment section. I will reply to all questions and comments. If you want to follow Huson DIY for this advent calendar journey we're going on, we'll be back tomorrow on day 2 with Ethiopia. Hit that subscribe button and we'll see you on the next video.